Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Nextiva. Specifically, we're going to be answering the question, is Nextiva a US company? Now, I know that this might seem like a pretty basic question, but it's actually one that I get asked a lot. And to be honest, I didn't know the answer myself until I started researching it. So, let's get started. So, is Nextiva a US company? The answer is yes and no. Nextiva is a cloud-based communications provider that was founded in 2008. The company is headquartered in Scottsdale, Arizona, and has offices in several other U.S. cities. However, Nextiva also has a significant presence in Canada. In fact, the company has its own Canadian subsidiary, Nextiva Canada. So, technically, Nextiva is a U.S. company, but it's also a Canadian company. This can be confusing, but it's important to understand because it has implications for how you use Nextiva. For example, if you're a US-based customer, you'll need to use a US-based phone number. And if you're a Canadian-based customer, you'll need to use a Canadian-based phone number. In addition to its US and Canadian operations, Nextiva also has a presence in the UK. The company has a UK subsidiary, Nextiva UK, which is based in London. So, Nextiva is a global company with a presence in 3 major markets. Now that we know a little bit about Nextiva's origins, let's take a closer look at the company itself. Nextiva is a leading provider of cloud-based communications solutions. The company offers a wide range of products and services, including VoIP, phone systems, video conferencing, and contact center solutions. Nextiva's products and services are used by a variety of businesses, including small businesses, large enterprises, and government agencies. The company is particularly popular with businesses that are looking for a cost-effective and flexible communication solution. Nextiva is also known for its excellent customer service. The company has a team of highly experienced and knowledgeable support staff who are available 24/7 to help customers with any questions or problems they may have. So, is Nextiva a good choice for your business? If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective, and flexible communication solution, then Nextiva is a great option. The company offers a wide range of products and services that can meet the needs of any business. And, with its excellent customer service, you can be sure that you'll be well taken care of. Of course, there are other cloud-based communications providers out there. So, it's important to do your research and compare different options before making a decision. But if you're looking for a US-based company that offers a wide range of products and services, then Nextiva is definitely worth considering. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Nextiva, I encourage you to visit their website. Thanks for watching.